Hello everyone, welcome to the Spring 122 review for SSW rules project. So SSW rules recently moved from Gatsby and Decap CMS to Next.js and Tina CMS. So this page you see now is the new website just after the migration. Now let's move on to the Spring review email. So in the last sprint, these were the two Spring goals we agreed on in the last meeting. Both of them were completed. But actually, we made a big achievement in this sprint, which is go live. So after the issue on Tina side was resolved, we were able to decide the deployment date, and we successfully went live just before Christmas. So this is a big step completed, and you can find all the
Chloe,
environments
can
here.
you zoom a little bit more? Just zoom
Yes.
up a tiny bit. Yeah, thanks.
You can find the staging and the production environment here. And here's the backlog. You can see we have many completed items in this sprint. The most important one is go live. So on the go live day, Jake, Aman, Gert, and I work together. We follow the deployment plan and run the migration script, updated all the settings, and the new site is now live. So here's the home page, the category page, and the single rules page. And all the rules content can be edited through Tina CMS. And also, we got the final version of Jake's done video. This video is now public. And in this video, he showed the overview of the new user experience of SSW rules after migration, which is very cool. So yeah, that's the two items why we want to highlight for this sprint. Do you have any questions? All good?
Yeah, it was all good.
Okay. Now let's keep going. Here's the timesheet data, but you can find more details here. So this was a 3-week sprint, but we only had 27.5 man-days because of Christmas holidays. And we had 7 release. The current version is 1.12. That in terms of AI usage, nothing new compared to the last sprint. And then for the Copilot stats, so the main item completed was a go live of the SW Roots Tina migration, and this is correct. So if there's no more question, let's move on to the Spring retro. For what went well, we agreed on that everyone is happy that we can go live. And there's no major functionality issues being reported. And also, Gert mentioned that the SEO score is the highest in December for the whole 2025. So this is also a good thing. For what didn't go so well, it's when we deploy the site to production, we run into some Tina Cloud issues because we renamed the main branch of rules content. And yeah, we got that issue, but we found a workaround to fix that. So
Chloe, can I just double check? That's the only thing that didn't go well?
That's the main thing that didn't go so well.
It's
not the only
That's the part that took us the longest to fix that we didn't plan.
I'm hoping Chloe can remember something else.
The repository migration, maybe?
Which?
The repository migration. We didn't delete the POC repository.
Oh, no. But yes, that was a small thing, but nothing went wrong there. But you've forgotten about Code Auditor. You were meant to check the links on both sides.
Yes. Well, you forgot to check the broken links just after the migration.
And if you had have done that, and you had have counted the links were the same, you would have realized there's a lot less links on the new one, and that's, you know, all the gray boxes, they're missing. Yeah, but yeah, you need to add it.
Okay.
I was pretty baffled how this one got left behind, because it definitely would have saved you some heartache.
Yeah. I've added that to the what didn't go so well.
Yeah, I would have checked the broken links and the total links. Just put in brackets for broken links and total links, because when I saw that all the gray boxes didn't have links on them, I thought that it had been a migration error, but it wasn't. The links are there; they're just not showing up on the, you know, on the Next.js page.
Yep.
Okay.
So I'm happy with this section.
Yep. Yes, and I think what you should put, what went well, was the video was done really well, and not just the video is good, or the whole solution looks good there, and it looks sharp, and yeah, I think it's looks great. Think it, you know, anyone that watches that thinks it's good. Callum had feedback on the video that didn't explain, hey, why did you switch from you know, Netlify CMS to Tina CMS? Can't you include at least a sentence why you switched? But you know, I think that can be done in another video.
Okay.
And I think it would be great if all of you reshared the post, the LinkedIn post and the Twitter post, to get as much traction as we can on this, so other companies build their sites on Tina.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay.
All right, now let's jump on to the Spring Forecast email. Next sprint is Spring 1.23, and our sprint goal is to fix bugs that are currently breaking the website. And this is going to be a 7 days sprint with 16 and a half man days. So here's the backlog for the next sprint. We highlighted the most important ones. The one you just mentioned, the links inside of gray box is not working. And that another one is about the URL of related rules. So yes.
Can I ask, is anybody familiar with error messages you see when you add an image to a rule? Has anyone come across adding an image? Can you use the Teams feature if you have added an image in Teams? So use the Teams hand up feature if you have gone in a rule and added an image. So only Gert. So no one else has gone into a rule and added an image. All right. Well, somehow Gert didn't see the error. Oh, and John.
Hold on. I did add an image, but I didn't have the error.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I watched the video, Adam, and what I did is I uploaded the file, and it seems that, I don't know if it is only for that scenario, but Michaela drag and dropped. And I don't know if that has something to do with it, because I didn't drag and drop. I uploaded the image.
Yeah, same for me.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. All right. I did mine on an iPad, so I didn't have drag and drop ability, but I didn't even think of that as being anything special. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's
keep going. For Copilot Start, the main item to do for the next sprint is fix the bugs that are currently breaking the website, which is fix the PBI about invalid URL, causing root page failures, and the gray box hyperlinks and nested component issues. And this is accurate. And
okay. So after this sprint, Do you expect there'll be another sprint, or this might be enough for the rules team, and then you can move on to SSW people? Do you have a feel for, is that enough? Like, or is the backlog huge and there's plenty more that you really want to do?
It's it all depends on, because a lot of people are coming back now, so I think we're going to have more people using Tina CMS.
Yep.
Using Tina with rules. So there might be some more bugs, random.
Yeah.
But I don't think
understand there
enough
might
to
be.
keep a whole team together.
Right, but based on assuming there's not new bugs, and I know you're highly likely to be correct that there will be, but is there, if there's no more bugs or stuff coming in, is the backlog big enough to support another sprint after this, or are we at the end?
We're very close. We have a bit of backlog refinement to do because there are still a few things that are Tina CMS issues.
Yes.
So we just need to clean it up a little bit, but I think maybe one more sprint after this.
Okay. All right. So this sprint and one more. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, before we finish up, Chloe, would you be able to go to the chat and pull open the Claude report that Callum just gave you? What he did is he threw the transcript. I know you've got the Copilot info there, but he threw it into Claude, just the transcript, and said, build me a nice dashboard. That's all he did. So pull it up, and I want to show you a couple of things.
I didn't see that.
In the meeting chat. Yeah, the meeting chat.
Okay, I saw that now.
And I think you'll kind of like it. You reject cookies? I was. Okay. Yeah. So you can see that it just scroll down a little bit. It has said, look, most of that meeting, see how divided up? It said the sprint review was 34%, the retro was 7%, and the planning was more, 59%. So that's good. You spent a lot of time on planning. Impressive. Scroll down a little bit to the speaking time distribution, and it did this slightly differently to your other one. Chloe's the most, then Gert, then Aman, then Gilles, then Hugo. And then it said what you were talking about was you talked about the backlog and then bugs and then planning and then Tina CMS issues and SEO and analytics and then go live. Isn't that interesting?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And imagine if Callum had done anything more special than say, build me a nice dashboard. Like he had to put some effort into his prompt. Yeah. Scroll down.
That's quite crazy.
I know, it's nuts. It's better than Copilot.
This is better than our sprint review email. You can just take it as is.
For big clients, I might spend a couple hours doing like a good like dashboard. You know, hey, here's where you're up to. Fuck, you can.
Unbelievable. Yeah.
You can one line that now.
Okay.
Big dynamics at the very top. Check. This is crazy. Go back to the top and go in the menu, click dynamics, the last thing.
Dynamics, yeah.
Look at that. Not that is especially useful, right? But
well, you can see that there was a lot of engagement from Chloe. See, meeting engagement, and Gert had a lot more decision authority.
This is crazy.
Aman has a lot of technical depth.
Wow.
Yeah. And
stop causing technical debt.
Yes. And it says, well, that's Chloe's a central facilitator, Gert's a decision authority, Aman's technical explainer, Gilles, status reporter. Oh, that's not good. And Hugo, minimal engagement.
Yeah, it just joined a few minutes before the end.
Joined late.
Oh,
yeah,
I see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But yes, it can give you some critical feedback as well if you ask for it. It's pretty.
You know what's interesting is nothing that we mentioned, if I'm correct, in the meeting that said that I'm the PO.
Yeah,
did not mention. It just said that it's a PO engagement. So it just picked up from the way I was talking that I'm probably the PO.
And isn't that good? It didn't say you're a status reporter.
Keep scrolling. Because it gets better.
Oh, you've already looked at it, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Here we go. Healthy dynamics. Clear role separation between the Scrum Master and the PO. You're getting real-time documentation updates, technical discussion, and decisions made with justification, and there's an honest retro discussion. The areas of concern, Hugo barely participates. He turns up late. He's very French. Team often says, not sure about estimates. External dependencies is frustrating the team. Oh, is that true? Who? Oh, the team. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
And resource allocation is discussed during the meeting. That shouldn't happen. And some PBIs are parked without clear owners. I didn't even know you had to park something with a clear owner.
I personally love the notable quotes. That's
pretty good.
Golden.
Chloe says, everyone's happy that we managed to go live for Christmas, and that's true. Gert says, the SEO this morning is the best in December for the whole year of 2025. So we definitely nailed that one. That's great. Who put the effort into the SEO stuff?
The whole team.
Right. Is that to do with that? What's that Rush tool?
SEMrush?
SEMrush. Is that the?
I think it's mostly the aftermath of the report you got.
But what report are you looking at, Gert, to make that declaration?
Google Analytics.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Aman's quote is, the good thing was that no one noticed it.
The good thing was like no one noticed it. It sounds like sorority girl.
And Aman says, I forgot everything after the holiday. Oh no. Yeah. Oh my goodness. All right. That's hilarious. Yeah, very funny.
That's good.
Yeah, thanks, Colin, for that. No worries.
Okay.
All right. That was awesome.
Okay, so let's just finish the meeting. So as usual, the recording to this meeting will be uploaded to the SSW Rules YouTube channel. And thanks everyone for joining us. I'll see you in the next week.
Okay. Thanks, Chloe. See ya.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.